replace a doorknob, we're gonna need a screwdriver with a Phillips head screwdriver bit and a new doorknob. Take the screws out of the old doorknob. 2 screws on either side of this doorknob. Most doorknobs are designed this way, where like the knobs come out from the center, then the middle piece comes out like so. Most doorknobs come with a bunch of pieces. This is a quick set doorknob, and these are the only pieces we need. Are both sides of the doorknob, the middle bolt piece, the screws that hold in the middle bolt piece, the frame, and these 2 screws for the doorknob. So these come with like this piece here that lengthens and shortens the bolt. They kind of vary how they look, but like when you put it in, just put it in and just kind of eyeball it, like see where like the middle slot is gonna be, like so. Like we want that to be in the center, like that, because that's what the center piece of the knob is gonna go through. You want that to be in the center of the hole in the door for the doorknob. Also make sure this piece is facing the correct way. So this one is going to go in like this, because the door is like when the door closes, it's going to push it in, and then it goes completely in the hole and it pops out, and then like you have to turn the knob to open it again. You take these 2 screws and screw them in the holes of the frame. I'm going to take these 2 pieces, and this middle piece is what fits through the middle of the bolt here. Kind of like. Also, what's nice about this one is that like where the screw goes through the holes, they have these like cutouts where sometimes these can be a pain to get to match up and get the screws in the right holes, like because it's dark and they're small holes. But like these, you can just put the screws in first, and then you can like kind of spin the doorknob on top of the screws, and then you can tighten them down. So I'll demonstrate. All good. Like and subscribe.